Hey, welcome to SourceFed. I'm Joe Beretta.
I'm Elliot Morgan.
Sad news as the Malaysian Prime Minister has made an announcement regarding Malaysia Airlines Flight 370, which went missing on March 8th with 239 people on board.
Using new analysis of satellite data from China and France, Malaysia is ruling out the possibility that anyone on the flight survived and say the plane met its end somewhere in the Indian Ocean.
Prime Minister revealed, quote, investigators concluded the flight flew along the southern corridor and that its last position was in the middle of the Indian Ocean west of Perth. This is a remote location far from any possible landing sites. It is therefore with deep sadness and regret that I must inform you that according to new data, flight MH370 ended in the southern Indian Ocean.
The families of the passengers received a text message saying, "We have to assume beyond any reasonable doubt that MH370 has been lost and that none of those on board have survived." It later went on to say all evidence suggests that the plane went down in the southern Indian Ocean.
Now I get that there's something to be said about the importance of getting information to the families as quickly as possible, but to deliver this kind of news through a text seems awfully impersonal and mechanical during a situation that you would like to see handled more delicately.
As of now, the U.S. Navy is flying a black box detector over in hopes of being able to recover the flight's final minute to give further information of what exactly happened. And although we now know the results, the reasons as to why the plane veered off course and went down in the first place are still a mystery to authorities and everybody.
It's a sad story, but now at least family members and the public have an ending. And while the wreckage has not been recovered yet, there have been suspicious objects in the Indian Ocean discovered by Australian and Chinese military planes involved in the search.
And all of our thoughts and prayers here at SourceFed go out to those affected by the plane crash, and we'll be sure to keep you updated on any further developments. My name is Elliot Morgan.
I'm Joe Beretta.